Okay, I have some data here that I've manufactured. So it's fictitious. So we have maybe a year and we have an AD number and the ATA code relating to that particular AD. And I might want to look at, what ATA codes are causing the most trouble, or, is there a particular year that had more ADs than others? And a quick way to do that would be to use a pivot table. So if I highlight the data and I go insert pivot table, it then asks me to select range. I've done that, and I want to put this into a new worksheet. So I'm going to select the new worksheet, and it then opens up this pivot table field menu. So here's my pivot table, and the way I want this to look, I want the years to be on the rows. Okay, so there's the years of the ADs, and I want the ATA codes to be the columns, so I can see what ATA codes had the most ADs per year, and I'm going to put the ADs into the values here. So it has defaulted to count, so that's the number of ADs, but I can go to the settings, I can go sum, min, max, product. So depending on whatever data you have, you would select the appropriate field from here. Count is perfect for me. And I can see immediately that ATA code 34 navigation was the one that caused the most problems. And I can see I had more ADs in 2019 than 2018. In fact, almost double the number of ADs. So with a couple of clicks, you can get some very good data from your pivot table. And once in your pivot table, you can create a graph out of it. Actually, see if I can do this. So pivot chart. Yeah, and it's given me the years and the ATA codes if I wanted to do that. Okay, so I'm not going to. Yeah, so that's just a quick brief overview of a pivot table.